Hey folks, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. In today's presentation, we're going to talk about 10 essential tips for starting your own business with Amazon. So let's dive in. So are you thinking about starting your Amazon business? Well, whether you aim to establish a brand or sell items on Amazon, it could be a lucrative venture. However, careful planning and a solid strategy are essential to maneuver through the world of e-commerce and leverage Amazon's reach. Here are some key tips to kick off your Amazon journey. These tips provide guidance on maximizing success in the online market, covering everything from setting up your account to optimizing listings. So let's discuss understanding Amazon's business models. Understanding the business models of Amazon is crucial when starting your own venture. Whether through the marketplace, fulfillment by Amazon, or Amazon's brand registry, you have the option to sell products as a third-party seller or create your brand. Each model comes with its set of benefits and considerations based on factors like investment, involvement in operations, and growth potential. By gaining an understanding of these models, you can make decisions for your Amazon business. Remember that success and growth in the e-commerce landscape depend on grasping Amazon's business principles. Choosing the right product niche. One of the steps when starting your own Amazon business is picking the right product niche. Be sure to research competitors across niches along with analyzing consumer demand and emerging trends. To narrow down your options, consider your target audience, expertise areas, and personal interests. For success, opt for products with profit margins and growth potential. Validate the demand for your chosen niche by delving into keyword and search trend data on Amazon. By selecting a specialty that aligns with market trends, your passions, and profitability, you can establish a foundation for your Amazon venture. Enhance your chances of attracting customers and driving sales. Creating a professional seller account. Starting your business on Amazon involves setting up a professional seller account. To begin, you need to create an Amazon Seller Center account and provide business details. Your specific selling requirements will determine whether you opt for an individual account. With an account, you can access features like bulk listing tools and advertising services on Amazon. After completing the setup process, you can utilize the Seller Center dashboard to list your products, set prices, and manage your inventory effectively. Now remember, it's important to verify your identification and banking information to ensure transactions. By creating a professional seller account, you can improve your selling experience on Amazon, build trust with customers, and gain access to tools. How do you optimize product listings for visibility? Let's talk about that. To increase visibility and attract customers to your shop, it is crucial to optimize your product listings on Amazon. Ensure that the titles, bullet points, and descriptions of your products include keywords to enhance visibility. Use high-quality photos for your product to showcase them in the way as images play a significant role in closing sales. Providing product descriptions that emphasize features and benefits can help customers make more informed purchasing decisions. Consider leveraging Amazon's enhanced brand content or A+ content features to create engaging multimedia content that highlights your brand story and values. By optimizing your product listings, you can improve search rankings, attract customers to your store, and ultimately increase sales when establishing your business on Amazon. Utilizing Amazon advertising tools. For Amazon sellers, utilizing the advertising options is crucial. By employing sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display ads, businesses can boost sales. Increase product visibility. Selecting keywords and optimizing ad placements helps target the audience effectively. Amazon's advertising platform provides analytics for making decisions and monitoring ad performance. Leveraging these strategies enhances product discoverability in a market, boosts brand recognition. Effective use of advertising tools can greatly impact the success of business on Amazon. Entrepreneurs in the e-commerce realm stand to benefit from improved earnings, higher conversion rates, and increased traffic by implementing a planned advertising approach. So how do you manage inventory and fulfillment? Running your Amazon business involves management of inventory and fulfillment. To ensure the success of your venture, it's crucial to have the products in stock to meet customer needs. You can improve your fulfillment processes, monitor stock levels, and set up alerts for reordering using Amazon's inventory management tools. Leveraging fulfillment by Amazon and other services offered by Amazon can simplify order processing, storage, and shipping logistics. Enhancing your inventory management and fulfillment practices can lead to reduced stockouts, storage costs, and increased customer satisfaction. By staying on top of your inventory performance and adapting as needed, you can establish a supply chain, meet the growing demands of your Amazon business effectively. Let's talk about providing excellent customer service. To start your business on Amazon, it's crucial to prioritize providing customer service. Building trust and loyalty by ensuring customer satisfaction is key for encouraging repeat business and positive reviews. Handling any issues or complaints with professionalism and empathy, and responding promptly to customer inquiries are practices. Enhancing the shopping experience by maintaining communication throughout the buying process is important. Keeping in touch with customers and meeting their needs effectively through tools like Amazon's messaging system can set you apart from competitors. Leave a lasting impression on customers. Remember, satisfied customers are more likely to recommend your products to others, which can contribute to the growth and success of your Amazon business. Utilizing Amazon Analytics for insights. If you're looking to understand how your business is doing on Amazon, utilizing Amazon Analytics is key. By analyzing data like conversion rates, customer demographics, and sales trends, you can make informed decisions to boost profitability and optimize your strategies. Monitoring metrics such as click-through rates, conversions, and customer feedback provides insights into the performance of your product listings and marketing efforts. Leveraging this information can help you refine your approach, target the audience effectively, and achieve success on Amazon. With Amazon Analytics at your disposal, you can make choices that pave the way for a venture on the platform, whether it's identifying popular products, keeping tabs on competitors, or understanding consumer preferences. Let's talk about building your brand presence. To succeed in the industry, it's crucial to establish your brand on Amazon. Building a brand identity can help you earn trust from customers and stand out from the competition. Enhance your product pages with images, engaging descriptions, and branded content using Amazon tools. Consistency across all elements, from your logo to packaging, reinforces your brand image, and it boosts consumer recognition. Gathering testimonials and reviews from customers adds credibility to your brand. Offers proof. Utilizing email marketing and social media can drive traffic to your Amazon store and increase brand visibility. By focusing on establishing a brand presence, your company can attract customers and achieve long-term success. So, here's the conclusion. Sustaining and growing your Amazon business. It's crucial to focus on growing and expanding your business in the evolving e-commerce sector as you near the completion of your journey to launch your venture on Amazon. Look out for opportunities for progress and enhancement by evaluating your performance metrics, customer feedback, and industry trends. To adjust your strategy effectively, stay updated on Amazon's policies and algorithms. Capitalize on purchases. Turn them into loyal brand supporters by offering exceptional service and engagement. Invest in marketing campaigns to boost visibility and attract customers. Broaden your reach through partnerships and collaborations with influencers. Sustained success and expansion for your Amazon venture can be attained by following a business approach, embracing creativity, and maintaining a customer mindset. So folks, here's the deal. Discover the essential steps to launching your own business confidently and efficiently. Our comprehensive guide provides practical advice and actionable strategies for every aspiring entrepreneur. Dive in and empower your journey towards business success today by clicking the link in the description. Enjoyed the video? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to spread the knowledge. And hit the bell icon so you can keep receiving new videos to enhance your awareness.